Success is deserved when success is deserved when you've worked really hard for it. Welcome to Good day, educators. Good day, wonderful contestants. I warmly welcome you to the grand finale of National Mathematics Championship Season 6. Here we are live at the Gymnasium Hall, and we are having our contestants who have gone through some tedious work to be finalists and as well to be challengers in this season's national finals. In a moment, we'll get to meet our contestants in action and see what stuff they are made of. I remain your host for today's show, Benedict Chimbiko. We'll go on a quick break. When we return, we'll get to see our contestants in action. Stay with us. Television show, National Mathematics Championship Season 6. And here we are live at Gymnasium Hall. We are having this competition for our finalists from across 34 states of the Federation. They are doing battle for the grand prize of 1 million naira, as well as the runner-up prize of 500,000 and the second runner-up of 250,000 naira. This action promises to be entertaining, educative, as well as thrilling, because these contestants will be going head to head with all our stages. This stage will be broken into 3 categories. This session will be broken into 3 categories. We'll have the bronze stage, the silver stage, and as well the gold stage. So for this session, I would warmly welcome you into the bronze stage, which you can't hear. Increase with me. Split into 3 segments, which is the bronze stage, the silver stage, and as well the gold stage. This will kick start with the bronze stage, which will be, each contestant will have 2 questions, and they have to score 1/2 to be able to progress to the next stage, which is the silver stage. Who will the contestants that would make their school and their state proud be? That is left to be seen as the whole of the action unfolds. Welcome back from that quick timeout. It's still your favorite television show, National Mathematics Championships Season 6, powered by World Best Educative TV Show, and as well as Febiak Foods Industries Limited. Here today we are having the upper primary category do battle for a chance to be a millionaire, which lucky contestants will be crowned a millionaire tonight. That's left to be seen. Let's have our contest. Hi, do you think you can beat all these contestants to be a winner in this competition?
Yes, by the grace of God.
All right, that is left to be seen. Please step forward and pick a question. Now, contestants, listen. This is the first stage of the competition where you have two questions. You have to score 1/2 to be able to qualify to the next stage of the competition, the silver stage. Contestants, are you ready? You have 10 seconds to attempt two questions. Do well to give me the right answer or the option to my question. Are you ready? A blue pail can hold 8 liters of water and a green pail can hold 16 liters. How much water can both pails hold in kiloliters? A, 0.24 kiloliter, B, 0.024 kiloliter, C, 24 kiloliter, D, 0.0024 kiloliter. A tank contains 20 kiloliter of petrol. If 7.56 kiloliters were sold, how much petrol is left in the liters? A, 12,440 liters, B, 124,400 liters, C, 1,244 liters, D, 124 liters. Step back. Congratulations, contestants. You score 1/2. Let's have the next contestant on stage.
My name is Akali Techemere. I am from Kismet Pillar School, Lagos State.
All right, contestant, do you think you have what it takes to win this competition?
Yes.
Step forward and pick a question. Now, before we proceed, remember you have 10 seconds to attempt two questions. Do well to give me the right option or the answer to my question. Contestants, are you ready? A science textbook has 198 pages and mathematics textbook has 212 pages. How many pages do both books have altogether? A, 410, B, 412, C, 401, D, 420. Abuja has a population of 120,000. The population of Port Harcourt is more by 100,000. What is the population of Port Harcourt? A, 100,000, B, 220,000, C, 20,000, D, 120,000. Let's have a check. Impressive, contestant. You scored 2/2. Let's have the next contestant.
My name is Okoli Daniel. I'm from Kismet Pillar School, Lagos State.
All right. Do you have what it takes to win this competition?
Yes, sir.
All right. Step forward and pick a question. Contestant, are you ready? You'll be having two questions to be attempted in the space of 10 seconds. Do well to give me the right answer or the right option to my question. Are you ready? There are 30 eggs in a crate of egg. Peter bought 6 crates. How many eggs did he buy? A, 150, B, 108, C, 180, D, 130. A basket full of 72 mangoes was given to 9 boys. How many mangoes has each boy? A, 10, B, 6, C, 8, D, 5. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the silver stage. 100D, 2,800. Share 72 mangoes between Kunle and Kofi such that Kofi. Congratulations, contestants. You scored 1/2. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next contestant.
The name of my school is Redeemer's Model School. It is located in Bauchi.
All right, do you have what it takes to win this competition? Step forward and pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? A square was drawn by a boy on the board. If one side of the square is 6 centimeters, what is the area and the perimeter of the square respectively? A 36 centimeter square. Step forward, pick a question. To grams. A 5.5 grams, B 55 grams, C 500 grams, D 550 grams. What is the value of 5 in the number 21,587? A 50,000, B 5,000, D 500, D 50. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the silver stage. $43. What is the value of LXXIII plus VIII? A LXXI, B LXXXII, C LXXXIV, D LXXXI. Step back. Contestant 24. Congratulations, you made it to the next round of the competition. If you're just joining us in this show, you can do well to follow us on our social media handles. On YouTube is World Best TV Show 9702. On Facebook is hashtag National Spell It. Do well to follow all the action. Sit back and relax as the action unfolds right here. Contestants, may we meet you?
My name is Afeni from Rosebud Nursery and Primary School, Ekiti State.
Do you have what it takes to win this competition?
Yes.
Step forward and pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? Express 25 kobo as a ratio of 1.20 naira in its simplest form. A 5:6, B 5:26, C 5:7, D 5:24. Find the average of the following numbers: 10.5, 2.2, 6.1, 8.0, 5.7, A 5.6, B 16.5, C 4.5, D 5.5. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the silver stage of the competition. May I meet you, contestant?
My name is Oluwafemi Shome, and I'm from the University of Lagos Staff School in Lagos State.
Do you have what it takes to win this competition?
Yes, sir.
If that's the case, step forward and pick a question. Contestant, are you ready? Convert 0.0025 to decimal fraction. A, 1 over 4, B, 1 over 4, T, C, 1 over 400, D, 1 over 4,000. A square has how many lines of symmetry? A, 2, B, 4, C, 3, D, 1. Stand back. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next round of the competition. Hello, contestants. May I meet you?
My name is Seth Adam from Gracie Christian School, Plateau State.
You have what it takes to win this competition.
By God's grace, yes.
All right, step forward and pick a question. Pick another question. Contestant, are you ready? Express 0.125 as a fraction. A, 1 over 4, T, B, 1 over 4, C, 1 over 8, D, 1 over 42. A box has a volume of 140 centimeter square. If the breadth is 5 centimeter and its length is 7 centimeter, find the height. A, 3 centimeter, B, 5 centimeter, D, 3.5 centimeter, D, 4 centimeter. Congratulations, contestants. Made it to the next round. May I meet you, contestants?
My name is Kamsi. The name of my school is Grace Christian School, located at Jos, Plateau State.
You have what it takes to win the competition?
Yes, I do.
Step forward and pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? A trader pays 25 naira for an article. What price must she sell it to make a profit of 20%? A, 28 naira, B, 27 naira, C, 30 naira, D, 26 naira. If a 240 naira amounts to 300 naira in 4 years simple interest, at what rate is the interest worked? A, 6.25%, B, 6%, C, 6.75%, D, 5%. Step back. Congratulations, contestants. Hello, contestant. May I meet you?
My name is Ajala Oluwashem Louis Ajala, and I'm from Graceville Christian School, located at Plateau, Jos.
All right. Do you have what it takes to win the competition?
Yes.
Step forward and pick a question. Pick another question. Contestant, are you ready? Change 3 kilometer 45 meters to meters. A, 345 meter, B, 3,045 meters, C, 30,045 meter, D, 30,450 meters. How many even numbers are there between 19 and 45? A, 12, B, 13, C, 14, D, 16. Congratulations, contestant. You scored 2 over 2. Next contestant.
say Alaji Abuja.
You have what it takes to win the competition?
Yes.
All right, step forward and pick a question. Contestant, are you ready? Which of the following is equal to 5 root 2 times 3 times 2 raised to power 3? A, 155, B, 984, C, 605, D, 600. What is the ratio of 12 minutes in 1 hour? A, 1:5, B, 1:6, C, 1:14, D, 12:5. Congratulations, contestants. You scored 2/2. You made it to the silver stage of the competition. Next contestant.
My name is Philip Rosemary. The name of my school is Excellent Performance School. It is located at Jose Alaji Abuja.
How are you feeling at the moment?
Fine.
All right, step forward and pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? If a car covers 50 kilometers in 2.5 hours, what is the average speed per hour? A, 20 kilometers per hour, B, 4 kilometers per hour, C, 30 kilometers per hour, D, 10.5 kilometers per hour. In what time will 200 naira become 250 naira at a rate of 5% per annum? A, 5 years, B, 6 years, C, 3 years, D, 2 years. Step back. Congratulations, contestant. You scored 2/2. Next contestant.
My name is Divine Dioka. I am from Abia State. The name of my school is Abia State University School, Aba. I am in grade 6.
What will you do with £1,000,000 naira right now?
I will give it to my parents so that they will use it to further my education.
Okay, nice option. Step forward and pick a question. Contestant, are you ready? If the total age of 3 boys is 34 years, 6 months, what is the age of the fourth boy? A, 11 years, 9 months, B, 12 years, 6 months, C, 11 years, 6 months, D, 10 years, 4 months. What is the value of the digit 4 in the number 246,685? A, 40, B, 4,000, C, 400, D, 40,000. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next contestant.
My name is Nzekwe Chinyere. I am from Abia State. I am from Abia State. The name of my school is Abia State University School, Aba.
It's good to have you on the podium. Step forward and pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? Find the least common multiple of 8, 12, 18. 8, 80, B, 72, C, 60, D, 54. A bank pays 12.5 per annum interest. Find the interest of a year on 600 naira. A, 70 naira, B, 75 naira, C, 85 naira, D, 65 naira. Congratulations, contestants. You qualify for the next phase of the competition. Next contestant.
My name is Jesse Fechuku. I'm from Anambra State. The name of my school is Marines Nursery Primary School.
All right, step forward and pick a question. Contestant, are you ready? The sum of two numbers is twice the third number. If the two numbers are 11 and 17, find the third number. A6, B14, C3, D11. Divide 4.5 by 3 over 8. A12, B2 over 3, C8, D9. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next stage of the competition. Next contestant. Pick a question. Are you ready? Now, John bought a ball for 6.75 naira and a pair of shoes for 9.35 naira. How much money did he pay for the ball and the shoes? A, 61.1 naira, B, 16.1 naira, C, 11.6 naira, D, 16.6 naira. Sandra has 5 meter 80 centimeter of clothes. She only needs 2 meter to 65 centimeter of clothes to make a dress. How much clothes will remain? A, 3 centimeter 15 meter, B 3 meter 15 centimeter, C 2 meter 20 centimeter, D 5 meter 24 centimeter. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next contestant. Step forward and pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? A man took 18 minutes to row from one island to another. His return journey took 25 whole number 5 over 8 minutes. How much longer did he take to row on his return journey? A, 7 whole number 8 over 5 minutes. B, 7 whole number 5 over 8 minutes. C, 8 whole number 5 over 8 minutes. D, 5 whole number 6 over 8 minutes. Simplify 0.35 plus 0.053 plus 0.035 plus 9.5. A, 9.938. B, 99.49. C, 9.88. D, 0.9938. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the silver stage. Next. Step forward and pick a question. Are you ready? 4 out of 8 articles cost 48 kobo and the rest cost 30 kobo each. Find the average cost. A, 49 kobo, B, 59 kobo, C, 39 kobo, D, 29 kobo. In a school there are 1,970 pupils. If there are 799 boys, how many more girls are there than boys? A, 1,171, B, 372, C, 799, D, 2,769. Congratulations, contestant. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next contestant. Step forward and pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? Subtract 1 over 4 from 1 over 3. A, 1 over 12. B, 1 over 1. C, 1 over 7. D, 4 over 3. Add 4 whole number 6 over 7 to 5 whole number 2 over 4. A, 10 whole number 10 over 28. B, 9 whole number 20 over 28. C, 10 whole number 36 over 28. D, 9 whole number 10 over 28. Step back. Congratulations, contestant. Made it to the next phase. Next contestant. Contestant, step forward, pick a question. Display your tag. Contestants, are you ready? A market woman sold her goods for 240 naira, made a profit of 20%. How much did she buy the goods? A, 188 naira. B, 220 naira. C, 480 naira. D, 192 naira. Express the Roman figure C, X, L, I, V in numerals. A, 148. B, 100. C, 144. D, 158. Congratulations, contestant. Next contestant. Pick a question. Contestant, are you ready? Musa had 25 liters of milk. He sold 18 liters. How many deciliters of milk are still left? A, 70 deciliters. B, 7 deciliters. C, 700 deciliters. D, 0.7 deciliters. If 4 classes of 150 students, how many students will 15 classes have? If 4 classes has 150 students, how many students will 15 classes have? A, 562.5. B, 625.5. C, 556.2. D, 550.5. Congratulations, contestant. You made it to the next phase. Next contestant. Step forward, pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? A man bought several toy cars as presents for his children. He paid 200 naira for 8 similar toy cars. How much did each toy car cost? A, 15 naira. B, 25 naira. C, 30 naira. D, 35 naira. Benita and Nita made 7,280 pieces of biscuits. They filled 40 tins with equal amount of biscuits. How many biscuits were there in each tin? A, 128. B, 180. C, 182. D, all of the above. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase. Next. Pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? How many sides does a cube have? A8, B6, C4, D12. A food bill for 8 people is 76 naira. How much does each person have to pay? A 10 naira, B 8.5 naira, C 9 naira, D 9.5 naira. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? A coconut tree is 32 meters high while a pawpaw tree is 6 meters high. What is the difference in the height between the two trees? A 26 centimeter, B 25 centimeter, 25 meter, C 26 meter, D 30 meter. A boy walks a distance of 3 kilometers from his house to school. On the way, he stops at the shop to buy a pen. If the distance from his house to the shop is 1,450 meters, what is the distance from the shop to the school in kilometers? A 1.5 kilometer, B 1.55 kilometer, C 1.55 meter, D 1.45 kilometer. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next. Step forward, pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? James bought meat for 4.15 naira and fruits for 2.75 naira. How much money did he spend altogether? A 6.9 naira, B 9.6 naira, C 9.9 naira, D 6.5 naira. A woman sold 24 meters, 50 centimeters of ribbon on Monday and 50 meters, 35 centimeters on Tuesday. How much ribbon did she sell altogether in centimeters? A 74.85 centimeter, B 7485 meters, C 74.58 centimeters, D 7485 centimeters. Contestant, sorry to let you know you got none out of the 2 questions correct. You have a dot here. Yeah, there's no dots. Please, contestants, take a bow off the stage. Next contestant. Step forward and pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? A newsboy delivered 16,240 copies of newspaper to his neighborhood in 280 days. How many copies of newspaper did he deliver each day? A 50 copies, B 56 copies, C 58.5 copies, D. 58 copies. A baker bakes 7,750 loaves of bread in 31 days. How many loaves of bread does he bake each day? A. 251. B. 255. C. 205. D. 250. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next contestant. Step forward and pick your question. Contestants, are you ready? 4 runners are required to cover a distance of 280 kilometers if they run equal distances at different time intervals. How many kilometers does each runner cover? A. 50 kilometer, B. 10 kilometer, C. 70 kilometer, D. 90 kilometer. A school has 500 pupils with 10 classes. If half of each class are boys, how many boys are in each class? A. 20, B. 25, C. 52, D. 10. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next contestant. Step forward, pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? An article costing 25 naira was sold at 20 naira. What is the gain or percent or loss percent? A. 20% gain. B. 30% loss. C. 25% loss. D. 20% loss. A room tile measures 10 centimeter by 6 centimeter. How many tiles will be required to cover a floor which measures 1 meter by 60 centimeter? A. 10. B. 100. D. 60. C. 60. D. 1000. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next contestant. Step forward, pick a question. Contestants, are you ready? The prime numbers of 30 and 40 are A. 31,000, 3,133, B. 3,335, C. 3,137, D. 3,739. Calculate the area of triangle whose height is 8 centimeter and base is 6 centimeter. A. 48 centimeter square, B. 24 centimeter square, C. 65 centimeter square, D. 14 centimeter square. Let's have a walk. Congratulations, contestants. You made it to the next phase of the competition. Next contestant. Pick a question.